I am Jamie Tyndall, been with Business Information Group since 2006. I'm in my 18th year at BIG. My job title is the Director of .NET Integration and Tax Applications. I really do love my job because I've got great customers, I've got great colleagues, I've got great leadership here at BIG. BIG really embraces their clients as part of the family. For us to do our work, we need to see what we can do to fit in to help them achieve their goals even further. BIG's put a lot of time and effort into everyone here at BIG. I have had the blessing of working closely with our senior leadership on a lot of projects. And I've seen firsthand how much they care about us as individuals, not just workers. I would tell any prospective candidate to come work at BIG because you will not find people who work harder to make sure that you feel included, to make sure that you're treated well. And I have found no other place that has made me feel as important, valued as BIG has. And that I don't personally think you can find a better place to be.